What's up? How's it going? Today we're doing another unboxing. As you can see, it's a watch. Feice original. All right. Just for now, there's the model number for you guys. Just for now. What's this side say? Interesting. There's some email problems. Well, there you go. Anything at the bottom? No. Feice original. Dude, look at this. It's a box inside of a box. Here you go with it. Feice original. Very interesting. Ooh, record your elegance in every second. Cool. Pretty basic box. I like it. I like how it came in two boxes, so if you're... this box is nice and protected. Alright, let's take a look. Use my Kershaw again. Did it cut through? No, it didn't cut through. I need to sharpen all my knives. And you know what? I'm probably going to do an unboxing of the sharpener. Okay. Here it is. Oh. We're greeted with this card. Thank you. Oh, in different kinds of languages. That's cool. Gracias. See? Welcome to the world. Feice watch. We would love to see customers share photos of Feice watches. It would be much appreciated if you use hashtag FeiceWatch tag when you posting images of our products on Instagram or Facebook. We will contact you and send you a coupon code. Nice. Hey, thank you so much for choosing us. It's nice. I like that. Oh, there's the QR code. And here's the watch. Here is the watch. We got some goodies in the bottom. User manual. Let's box it up and put it to the side. Oh. Well, look at that. Expedition case back. We got a butterfly type clasp. Cut of butterflies. Okay, cool. Man, this is nice. Let's unwrap the sucker. It's so shiny. And personally, I like brushed metal, but this is just really nice. All right. Give me a moment. I'm going to unwrap this whole thing. Let's take a look at the little card. Feice original. Nothing much to it. Says Chronoscope, huh? Is it running? It's running. Oh man, this is nice. So you got the crown. It is not hacking. As you get the crown is all the way out and it's still ticking. It's quite nice. I like the feeling of it. Oh, it's smooth. Real smooth. Wow. That is really smooth. What time is it? Did we pass midnight already? Okay, so that's PM. We are going to go... what time is it? It's almost 6 o'clock. This is very, very nice. I really like the look of the watch. And of course the expedition portion. And the self-winding wheel. That's nice, man. Let's take the... oh yeah. Now we can get a good look at it. Alright, let's take a look at the dimensions. So it's about 40. Nice. Let's go lug to lug. And that is 45. So that should look good on my wrist. Let's go bracelet. So it's a 20 mil, so you can change it. Nice. Change it to something different if you want to. Let's take off my other watch and put this sucker on and see what it looks like. Almost. We forgot to check the width, the depth, how thick it is. There it is. 13.7-ish. Crown, if you guys are curious about that. That is quite nice. I like it. Alright. It is. Okay, good. Really loose on my wrist. I got a 7-inch wrist for those who are interested to knowing. This is nice. I like it a lot. Alright, brush finished on nothing. Oh, on the links here, it's nice and brushed, along with some polished out links. I like it. The rest of the case is nice and polished. You can see my face. What's up? Alright, let's talk about some of the features. The top wheel here, the top hand, is the power reserve. So I got basically 0. That's got to be. I don't know if it's manual. Yeah, it feels like you can wind it. Oh, look. You can see it go up. I really like the power reserve marker. It sounds pretty good too. You can get a lot. Nice. And of course, in your bottom window, you got your 60-second seconds. The water resistance is 30 meters with a signed crown. The links are nice. Standard links. Your push out pins. There's no micro adjustments. That's something you're worried about. It's a very nice watch. Well, that's basically it. That's all I wanted to talk about. It's a very simple watch. I'll probably not gonna keep it. It is nice. I really do like this watch. The dial itself, it's like a pearl, you know? Well, there it is. Thanks guys for watching. We'll get to the next unboxing shortly.